Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch review. Following yesterday's sharp decline in Wall Street, large markets across the Asia-Pacific region saw their shares drop by more than 1%. The eurozone saw a slight expansion in the fourth quarter 2022. However, the Stoxx 600 is losing 0.8% in late morning turnover. The S&P 500 futures are trading at a loss of 0.35%. This is half the difference to the NASDAQ. The US dollar is strong, with the Australian dollar and the Norwegian Krone leading the pack with pullbacks of around 1%. The dollar index has reached 102.60, a 9-day record. The Japanese yen is the top performer in G10 and has not changed. However, the greenback has maintained its above JPY 130. Gold was $1,950 last week and is now at $1,900. It has fallen through the 20-day moving median for the first time in this month. Asian Pacific market. Today, Japan released December employment figures, retail sales, and industrial production numbers. With 2.5% unemployment, the labor market was unchanged. After falling 1.3% in November, retail sales rebounded by 1.1%. In December, industrial output fell 0.1%. The greenback is stuck in a narrow range of approximately half a Japanese yen above JPY 130. Retail sales in December were terrible in Australia. Australian retail sales fell 3.9% instead of falling 0.2%, as Bloomberg's median forecast predicted. This is the biggest decline since August 2020. The Australian dollar reached a high of $0.7140 last week, but today's slump has seen it reach 0.7. Market of euro. The eurozone economy experienced a 0.1% increase in its fourth quarter, which is 1.9% more than the year before. Tomorrow we'll see the publication of the preliminary estimate for January's CPI, just ahead of Thursday's ECB meeting. Yesterday's euro surge above $1.09 was not sustained. Today's follow-through sales saw the euro reach $1.08, matching its lowest point since January 19. Last month, the UK reported lower than expected approvals and mortgage lending. The increase in net consumer credit was only half the projected £1.1 billion. Yesterday's sterling was retraced from the $1.24 zone, and today's pressure drove it close to 1.23, which is a 4-day low. Market of America. The fourth quarter U.S. employment cost index is out. It's a measure of the U.S. ability to pay more than average weekly earnings and captures the attention of the market. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Survey will not elicit much market reaction. Canada reported November GDP. Canada is forecast to experience a 0.1% increase in November GDP, which will translate into a 2.7% annual pace. The US dollar surged yesterday to 1.3390 after finding strong demand at CAD 1.3300. It is now nearly 1.3460 today. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.